Video, I will show you how to validate date ranges using NUnit. Oftentimes when we test APIs, for example, when we post something into the database, we need to validate that the data made it to the database successfully. And as part of that validation, we need to validate the dates in the database. And oftentimes there's no way of knowing exactly what that date is going to be, but we have certain expectations. We know that after we post, within 3 or say 5 seconds, that data should make it to the database, and we want to validate that timestamp is accurate. And well, how can we validate that using NUnit? Well, it's actually quite simple, and I'm going to show you two ways of doing that. So one way of doing that is using um, NUnit's very own validators. So what you say is assert that, and then you provide your date. So in this example, let's just use now as an example, and then you say is equal to, and then you provide your expected value. So let's say it's also now, but then here you can provide a range. So you say within, and then you can provide a time span. Let's say from seconds, 3 seconds, and that should pass because this now is going to be within 3 seconds from now. So let me run this test and make sure it passes. As you can see, it successfully passed. Now, I'll show you the second method of validating the dates, and as a matter of fact, this is the method that I prefer because it's even easier in a way that it's less code and kind of more intuitive. So it's actually very similar to the first one. Assert that date time now is equal to date time now within, but here's the difference. Here you just provide the number directly in the parentheses. So within 3, and then you say dot seconds. And that's it. Let me run this test and make sure it passes. As you can see, the test passed. So uh, this is how you can validate dates using NUnit. Um, This is how you can validate dates in NUnit within a specified range. That could be within seconds, hours, or more, up to you, and it all depends on your tests. Thanks for watching.